Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing ackee and saltfish. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So before we get into this video, let me just inform you guys that I picked the ackee off the tree. I clean it myself, and before you remove the ackee from the tree, you always want to ensure that your ackee is open wide enough. You don't want to pick any ackee that is closed. It can be poisonous, all right? So once your ackee is open, you go ahead and you pick it off the tree. Now, when you pick your ackee off the tree, you're going to see some pink thing on the inside. It looks like vein. You want to take your knife, or you can just use your hand, and you remove it nicely from your ackee. Now, once you remove it nicely from the ackee, what you can do, you can opt to boil your ackee and place it in the fridge, or you can go ahead and just add some oil to the raw ackee and then you place it in the fridge. All right, whichever option works perfectly, it's fine. All right. I also went ahead and cook up my saltfish. I boiled it 3 times just to remove the excess salt. And I also debone my saltfish. And just a note, I do have a video on my channel how to debone saltfish and how to clean ackee. You can always go ahead and check that out. And remember guys, if you don't want to debone your saltfish, you can always buy the boneless saltfish and make sure that you pour some hot water over it so that the excess salt, you can get rid of that, because you don't want all of that salt in your ackee. All right, so let's get into the video. For today's recipe, I love to add a lot of onions, scallion, bell pepper, fine leaf thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, all of that goodness to my ackee. Now guys, you want to ensure that you season your ackee nicely, especially with the scotch bonnet pepper, because sometimes ackee don't sit well on the stomach and you want it to digest properly, so you want to add some scotch bonnet pepper. I then went ahead and put on my pot on the stove, add some vegetable oil, allow it to hot, and then we're going to go in, add all of that seasoning that I mentioned earlier. Now you want to extract all of that flavor from the seasoning, and make sure you add a piece of tomato as well. So we're just going to leave it there for roughly about a minute or so. And then I'm going to come back and start adding the saltfish and the ackee. For today's recipe though, I will boil some dumplings for my ackee. If you look closely, you will see that I'm boiling the dumplings. And I do have a video on my channel how to cook dumplings, so you can always go ahead and check that out. However, you can go ahead and make some fried dumplings. You can make some plantain. You can even cook up some banana, some yam. And it goes well with your ackee and saltfish. But you can always leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you would have with this amazing ackee and saltfish, all right? So now we're going to go in, add the deboned saltfish. Like I said, there's a video on my channel how to debone saltfish. You can always go ahead and check that out. We're just going to combine everything together nicely. And then we're going to leave it there for roughly about a minute. After a minute, we're going to come back and start adding the ackee. You can let me know in the comment section what else you would add to your ackee and saltfish, and let me know if you prepare it the same way that I prepare it, because I do know that we cook a little. Sometimes, different people will cook a little bit different. So let me know in the comment section so I can give it a try as well. So now we're going to add the ackee, and of course you want to take your time, because you don't want your ackee to be, softy. You want it to be firm and nice. So once we combine everything together nicely, we're going to start by adding some black pepper to our ackee. And guys, let me tell you, I love ackee. Listen, I love ackee, especially with fried dumpling or boiled dumpling. I love my ackee. So I'll probably just sit down and eat all of this. just to show you how much I love ackee. So once we add the black pepper, we're just going to turn the stove on low to medium heat and just allow it to do its thing, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product. Like I said, you can always go ahead and have this with boiled dumpling, fried dumpling, whatever you have at home. Just be creative. So this is the final product of my ackee and saltfish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell and follow me on all social media platforms. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow, and thank you again for your love and your support. Bye guys.